Dad, my teacher says you should always keep fireworks in closed boxes and you should never keep fireworks in your pocket.
Good point, I didn't think. That's very sensible of your teacher.
Dad, shouldn't you make sure Molly is safe in the house? She could burn herself.
You're right. Let's go and put it in the kitchen out the way.
Dad, don't go back to a lit firework. It's dangerous.
Well done. I'll tell you what, they're running a fireworks event at the town. Let's get your mum and we go down there.
Don't take the risk. An organised event is always a safer bet.